Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the Millennium Cricket League's F40 clash, Euphoria CC and Gotham CC locked horns in a strategic tussle. An encounter that promised to test the resilience and tactics of both teams unfolded magnificently today.
Under the blazing sun, the stage was set for an epic narrative to be written in the annals of F40 League history. Euphoria banking on stamina, Gotham on their sheer tenacity, a spectacle awaited.
Big thanks to our event advertisers for setting the stage for today's scintillating encounter, vital pillars in showcasing this cricketing theatre.
Tip of the hat to Diff Gen Pharmaceuticals, delivering boundary-breaking generics like a Master Blaster 6. And kudos to the Park Special, with an atmosphere as electric as a night match under lights.
Euphoria posted a gritty 169, with partnerships weaving a narrative of resistance. Gotham, who opted to field first, saw Miraz Ahmed strike thrice. The chase by Gotham flared up with two defining knocks, but ended 23 runs short, the tale punctuated by Euphoria's relentless spirit.
Gotham's chase was a caravan of hope and despair, led by valiant half-centuries, but Euphoria's Doda spun a web with a 4-4, derailing the momentum. Each wicket a stroke in this vivid canvas, each run a heartbeat, leading to an absorbing finale.
Euphoria built their fortress slowly, brick by brick, with Parab and Noria stitching crucial runs, while Gotham's Ahmed hurled thunderbolts to dismantle their ramparts.
It was a chess match, patience against precision. Gotham used their bowlers like knights, cutting through Euphoria's defenses, despite the latter's steadfast resistance.
Gotham, on their hunt, found heroes in Dasho and Ramnath, architecting a partnership of defiance until Euphoria's Doda's 4-wicket heist turned the course.
The narrative took a turn when Doda stepped up, his bowling akin to a painter's final touches, crafting a masterpiece that ultimately defined Gotham's fate.
Doda with his 4 for 17 was the conjurer for Euphoria, his spells binding Gotham's innings, while Ahmed's 3 for 19 kept Euphoria in check.
Doda emerged as Euphoria's champion, his lethal overs the plot twist in this drama. Ahmed's precision for Gotham was commendable but not enough for victory.
Euphoria emerged victorious by 23 runs, a testament to their tenacity and strategic bowling changes that cut Gotham's wings short of the target.
A clash that ended in Euphoria's jubilation and Gotham's reflection, with strategies and stamina dictating the tempo of this enthralling encounter. Like a classic David vs Goliath tale, Euphoria's endurance outmatched Gotham's grit, leaving fans and foes alike yearning for more such thrilling narratives.
As the sun sets on this chapter of the F40 League, we anticipate the ripples of today's match to stir the waters in the upcoming clashes, with Euphoria riding the wave of triumph.